Now put it on the paper.
Okay.
You can put it on the paper. Now pick a color. Now put it on the paper.
Dad, I made a bubble hoop.
A bubble hoop for blowing bubbles with?
Yeah, and I'm going to do another bubble hoop, but this is going to be the last one. It's going to be so long.
Okay, now put it on the paper, one color at a time, please.
And a bubble.
Yep, water. Now pick one color.
There. Dad, I made no bubble hoop.
Okay. Now, no, one color now on the paper.
Dad.
Another bubble hoop. Thank you. How many bubble hoops are you gonna make?
These two of them.
Now paint. Yep, water, then paint. Pick one color. Okay. Now on the paper.
Dad, I made a circle. Oh, and polka dots.
Polka dots are tricky with chalk.
There.